Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make a quick video for you showing this easy, effortless, casual, no false lashes makeup look. It really is so easy. I don't care who you are, you can accomplish this look. It is easy, easy peasy. It's perfect if you don't like the look of a lot of makeup, or if you don't want to go for false lashes, or maybe if you want to get ready during quarantine, being at home, but you don't really see a point in going full glam to sit in your living room. I hope you guys like this look. So I've already applied my foundation, concealer, powder, and brows just to keep this video really quick and simple. So we're gonna go into the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronze with a fluffy bronzer brush. And I'm gonna start by just going at my cheekbones a little bit. And I'm not trying to make this perfect or chiseled or anything, just keeping it really soft and easy. And I'm gonna just kind of take a little bit, just what's left on the brush, across my nose a little bit. And now I'm starting at the top of the forehead, making sure to blend that into the hairline. And now the sides of the forehead. And then a little under the jawline. And I like to take some down the neck just to tie it in with the face. And then I'm going to squish the brush down like this to make it a little skinnier. And I'm going to define the nose just a little bit. When you're creating these lines on your nose to kind of contour your nose, you want to make sure to do them nice and close to the center of the nose. If you do them on the actual sides, it's going to make your nose look muddy and even actually wider. So the idea is to make the nose appear more slender than it is. Once I've laid down those two lines, I'm just going to lightly blend them out. And I like to do a little bit under the tip of the nose as well. And if you ever feel like you went a little heavy-handed with the bronzer, you can take your powder brush. I don't have any additional powder on it from when I powdered my face, and I'm just going to softly blend out where I feel like I went a little heavy-handed. Now I'm taking an eyeshadow blending brush. This one is my favorite. It's the BH Cosmetics V5 blending brush. It works amazing for eyeshadow. It's what I always use, and it just costs a few dollars. And I'm going into that same bronzer, and I'm just running that in the crease of my eye. Nothing special, nothing fancy, just as easy as possible. Do windshield wiper motions back and forth. And I'm gonna even kind of connect it to that nose contour. I like to dip in to the bronzer twice, just so that it really builds up nicely. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Nude 10 Color Blush Palette, and I'm going to mix these two coral shades. Apply those on my cheeks. Then, when there's very little left on my brush, I'm actually even going to blend it up into my bronzer on my forehead, just to give a flush of color all over the face and make everything look really natural. I'm also going to take it across the nose a little bit. Now I'm going to dip into this coral blush with the eyeshadow brush. I'm just using the same eyeshadow brush that I dipped into the bronzer. And I'm going to run that through the crease a little bit too. And it's going to tie together what we have on the eyes with the rest of the face. Also, I've noticed that the less amount of products that you're dipping into when you do your makeup, it really does make a difference in the speed of how long it takes to do your makeup. Now, taking any little definer brush, this is a flat definer brush that's going to allow me to create an eyeliner shape. You're just going to dip into any dark brown matte eyeshadow that you have. I'm going to use the one in the Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette. And we're just gonna run that across our lash line to softly define our eyes. And doing the dark brown rather than the black keeps it really pretty and soft and flattering. And you really can just stamp the brush along your lash line. When I get to the inner corner, I like to open my eyes. I think it's easier to find the lash line that way. I'm going to take what's left on the brush and apply that to the bottom lash line. Now I'm taking the small, dense, fluffy brush that I like to use on my lower lash line, dipping into the bronzer again and just blending out that dark brown eyeshadow that we applied. I'm gonna curl my lashes now. This is my all-time favorite mascara. It's the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It only costs $4.99 and it's amazing. It's my favorite mascara, including high-end mascaras that I've tried. So I'm just gonna apply it, building up a few coats to my top lashes and bottom lashes. For lips, I'm not gonna go through my million-step process that I love of contouring them and making them look all big. I'm just gonna keep it really easy with one product today. This is the Catrice Lip Cushion. The color is Rather Be at Coachella. It's a nice moisturizing, glossy, tinted product, just kind of a nice all-in-one, grab-and-go, easy lip product. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of glow to the face. I've really been loving this Makeup Revolution Soph highlighter palette. Two things that I love about this palette is they're beautiful shades that are all really wearable. Even though there's like these pink and purple shades that look intimidating, they actually look super gorgeous and flattering and natural on the skin. I use every single color in this palette, which doesn't usually happen with a highlighter palette that has these type of colors. I love that they really give that melt into the skin, glow from within, soft type of highlight look. So I'm using my Morphe M510 highlighting brush and I'm going to mix these two shades. I'm going to do circular motions to really work this into the skin. Now I'm going to take this white shade, put a little bit on the tip of the nose, and up higher on the bridge and between the eyes. And then I'm going to take a different finger that doesn't have product on it and blend that out. I'm going to take what's left on the brush and just do a little bit on the chin and a tiny bit on the forehead. Now I'm going to go back into that lightest kind of white shade and highlight the inner corners. As well as the brow bone to give a little bit of a lift. Now a quick spray with my Morphe setting spray. All right, that completes this easy, effortless, casual look without false lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you try this look out, be sure and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Love to see your beautiful faces. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below any video ideas you'd like to see on my channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you're staying safe and healthy and happy. And just remember to be grateful for your blessings. That's something that's really helped me during this time. The other day I was feeling kind of cooped up in my house, just wishing I could get out and be doing things outside of my house. And I just had this thought of, you know what, I really am so blessed. I have a comfortable home with everything I need. I have food, I have my beautiful family. I just have every reason to be happy and grateful. Oh. there's my baby waking up, so I better go. Love you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Bye.